Spook-tac-ular Halloween treats! Today we're going to show you how to make super yummy, really delicious Spook-tac-ular vampire teeth. Awesome! But first, we're going to need a few things. We'll be using ghost puffs, haunted cookie dough, vampire whip, and vampire teeth. Okay, let's get brewing! The first thing we're gonna do is take our haunted cookie dough and slice it into small pieces. Sweet! Hey girls, watch this! Hocus pocus, turn this haunted dough into small pieces. Abracadabra, shabam! Whoa! The next thing we're gonna do is take our haunted cookies and stick them in our fire chamber at 350 degrees for 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Now that our cookies are out of the fire chamber and have cooled off, we're going to slice them in half. Oh yeah, baby, it's time for our cookies to get choppified. Those smell so good. I want to eat them so bad. Oh, look at those chocolate chips. Next, we're going to take our Dracula whip and spread it on our haunted cookie. Oh, the Dracula whip looks so good.
Oh, that looks so good.
Now it's time for the fun part. We're going to take our ghost puffs and line them around our cookies, and we're going to add these Dracula teeth for the finishing touches. Sweet! Oh, it's actually teeth.
Oh, it looks like you just finished going to the dentist.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool.
Whoa! These look amazing.
They look so cool.
It's so yummy. Look, it looks like we stole all of Dracula's teeth.
Yeah.
Now it's time to devour it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. They're so good. This tastes amazing. You put it in mouth. That's not very many teeth left. These are to die for. Yeah. I wonder if Dracula's gonna be mad that we're eating his teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we won't tell until sunlight.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.